Be my best friend, baby. You don't wanna be my best friend. Plus 2.5 mo. Daily ranking 3 na tayo.
Number 3 ka?
4 pa lang.
Okay. We need to get to the number 1 level.
Hindi, mahirap dun.
Mahirap yan. You're gonna wanna be my best friend, baby. You're gonna wanna be my best friend. Coral.
Tapos kay manager, andun. Natutulog.
I said I'm happy. Ito yung logo.
Ba nakakabaliw yan?
Ito naka-enjoy yun. Enjoy ako yung edit yan.
Sabi, request ako kay kuya.
Huwag naman siguro, mga ano pa. After 2 months. What? The one you think about as you lie away. And I can't wait to be your number
1.
I'll be your biggest fan, and you'll be mine. But I still wanna break your heart and make you cry.
Dito ka nakaping. Baby.
I still wanna be your favorite
boy.
I wanna be the one. I might just be the one.
Hi sa inyo. Yeah!
Ano to? Sunday morning
forevermore.
Sunday morning mo yan? It's Monday, di ba? Ay, Tuesday pala yan. Hindi ko na alam.
Arms of and the streets all through the night, searching for
Wow.
to make me cry.
Nag-converse ka na?
Hi guys. You're my number 1. Nag-up ako baka ako anong sabihin ni Kuya Gavin eh. Nagagago agad yung pagkapasok ng kung saan-saan eh. Sisigaw ng malakas. Why? Hi Alain. Si manager, wala si manager guys. Hi guys. Uy, tingnan mo kung nasan akong daily. Yung daily ranking ako.
Kain ka.
Kain na.
Asa ka?
Ayun ako yung number 4.
Ay, ang galing mo naman. Iyan mo nga sa likod ko. Totoo. Number 4 ka pala, men. Dito. Yan. Yung sakit. Thank you, man.
Thank you, man. Thank you, man. Thank you, man. See you guys.